Blending elite performance with vibrant design, the Jordan Luka 4 Light Orewood and Tangerine is set to release in fall 2025 for $130 on Nike.com. Jordan. While its visual appeal is eye-catching, thanks to a mix of light Orewood suede, tangerine mesh, fluorescent green eyestays, lemon yellow heels, and subtle pink liners, it's the performance features that make this sneaker stand out. The full-length Cushlon midsole, forefoot zoom air, and IsoPlate systems support Luka Dončić's high-energy playing style, enabling swift cuts and explosive movement on the court. But there's more than just underfoot. Personalized touches celebrate Luka's identity. A Luka script is printed on both the tongue and insole, while bear claw logos on the heel reference his love for nature. A glossy peach tongue tab completes the design, offering a touch of polish. This edition strikes a perfect balance between style and sport, capturing both fans and athletes alike.